Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your study techniques with Khan Academy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your study techniques with Khan Academy, start by visiting the Khan Academy website.
Create a free account if you don't have one.
Log into your account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Identify the subjects you want to focus on. Click on the desired subject to access various topics. Select a specific topic to begin your study session.
Watch the instructional videos provided for that topic. Take notes while watching to reinforce your understanding. After the video, complete the practice exercises related to the topic. Use the hints and explanations offered for any questions you find challenging. Review your answers after completing the exercises. Revisit any concepts or videos where you struggled. Take advantage of the progress tracking feature to monitor your improvements. Set goals for yourself based on your current skill level. Utilize the personalized learning path feature to tailor your experience. Join the community discussions for additional insights and tips. Consider utilizing the Khan Academy app for on-the-go learning. Regularly dedicate a set schedule for your study sessions. Stay consistent to build a solid understanding of each topic over time. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your study techniques with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.